MX Foundation 4 is the multi-protocol C API that allows customers to design and build their own custom applications that utilize the power and reliability of the Flex family hardware. The API is available for Windows, Linux, and OS X in both 32-bit and 64-bit releases. The API is included with every purchase of Flex family hardware and is unrestricted. The API is easily installed and ready for use. For developing your code, you can use whichever development environment you like, including Visual Studio. Both 32-bit and 64-bit link libraries are included, as well as the associated runtime libraries and include files. MXF4 also includes a suite of pre-compiled utilities that can be used to update, configure, and test your devices. Help with using the API and hardware is only a click away. All MXF documentation is online at www.maxt.com/MXF. You can get help with installation, using the command line tools, connecting to the hardware, and many other tasks. One important section to review is the Getting Started section. It will walk you through connecting to the device and its resources, as well as setting up buffers to send and receive messages. The Avionic Data Buses section contains specific class information for each protocol supported by the API. If your application is using ARINC 429, for example, you can get specific information on setting up the channel, sending and receiving data, as well as some sample code. The API Functions reference contains a searchable list of all the functions contained in the MXF4 API. The documentation contains information on what the function does, as well as all of its input and output types. The last section of the documentation contains fully functional examples that you can study, modify, or compile and use to gain experience with the API and hardware.